Hi guys, welcome to another video. A Kia Stinger. This one's actually a 2-litre turbo. Generally we have the 3-litre V6, 244 horsepower, 2-litre turbocharged engine. Underneath very similar to its bigger brother, I believe. Whereas you don't have a twin setup with silencers and separate cats, secondary cats and so forth. Here's where we're concentrating on the cat backing, axle back setup, fully valve control. These cars suffer a lot of droning issues, so this gentleman wanted the sound and plus balance it off when he doesn't want to hear it anymore. So it's fully valve control, as you can see, fully custom designed. You have the OE rear tips, as you can tell, so it's completely discreet. If you want to hear what it sounds like, make sure you keep on watching the video till right to the end. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.